Little Kids Heart of Learning, a stress-free place for your little ones to have fun while learning and exploring.
Hello, friends! Would you like to learn new words today? Great! Let's have fun learning. Learning new words opens our eyes, minds, and hearts to expanding our vocabulary for the world we exist in. Let's get started. Go. We will go to the store today. Can. I can do anything if I practice. See. We can see the beautiful garden. Up. Look up, there's a plane in the sky. We love to learn. My book is on the table. Yard. The backyard has very tall grass. Saw. I saw the dog across the street. She is a nice person. Went. I went to the museum. You are in the right seat. Dog. The dog is barking. Out. Let's go out. Way. This is the way we should go. Cup. I want to drink a cup of milk. Plate. I have a plate of salad. Stop. We need to stop the leak under the sink. Very. I'm very happy to learn with you today. Cat. The cat is in the tree. Thank you for learning new words with me. Don't forget, share and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Great job, friends! That was awesome!